Here is a very interesting question from our book, Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry. How to draw exact value of square root of 3 on a number line. Now, on a number line, you can draw exact values of all the real numbers. However, when you use square root of 3 on calculator, for example, and find out its value, what do you get? Well, you get square root of 3 as equal to 1.73205 something, correct? Non-terminating decimal value. Since this value is not exact, you cannot really draw the exact value on number line. But still, I can tell you a technique of drawing exactly square root 3, and here it goes. Let's say that this is our number line. Let's mark beginning as 0 here, right? And let's say this is 1 unit. This is 2 units for us. We know that square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 1 is 1. So square root of 3 should be somewhere in between 1 and 2. Okay. Now, square root of 3. So what we can do is, this is 1 unit for us. Correct. So if I take the same length and draw it vertically, 1 unit, right? So this also becomes 1 unit. Let's say this is 1 and this is also 1. In that case, what is the diagonal? Well, clearly it is 1 square plus 1 square square root, right? Which is square root of 2. Right. So keeping your compass right there and making an arc, correct, we get a value which is square root of 2. You see that? So at least we have got square root of 2. You see a neat method of exactly representing square root 2 on a number line, right? Now I think you can do it, right? How do you get square root 3? Well, simple as that. Since we got square root of 2, and square root of 2 square plus 1 square will give me 3, and that square root is 3. So this time I'll draw 1 unit from here, right? And now this diagonal, which is there for you, right? This is 1, right? So this diagonal is what? It is square root of 2 square plus 1 square square root, which is square root of 2 plus 1, and that is square root of 3. So we get the exact value of square root of 3, and that value can be marked, and you can take a compass and you get a value which is square root of 3 as shown here. So you got a method now to extend this particular strategy, and on this number line plot exact values of irrational numbers. Square root 2, square root 3, square root 4 is not irrational, but then square root 5, square root 6, and so on. You get the whole idea. So that is the way you should go about. Thank you and all the best.